So Lord is already saying that I do not expose myself to everyone. I cover myself from others, from general people. And the word who is the general people? Mudha. Mudha means who is not intelligent to understand what is good for him and what is bad for him. बराबर उल्टा समझता है व्यक्ति. What is good for him, he will think it is bad for him, and what is bad for him, he will think it is good for him. जितने भी गलत कार्य हैं, दारू पीना, illicit sex, gambling, ये सब, what do you feel? Very good, enjoyment, मजा आ रहा है, पूरी दुनिया कर रही है. Why should I stay behind? I will also be in the race. I will also do that. But what is Shastra saying? ऐसे व्यक्ति को मूढ़ा कहा गया. Buddha means he is a fool. He doesn't know the distinction between what is good and what is bad, what is right and what is wrong, what is his purpose of life and what he has got to achieve. इसके लिए नाम सर्वस्व सब जगह मैं नहीं दिखता हूँ. और कई बार हम लोग देखते हैं ना वीडियो में, भगवान के हाथ से फूल गिर गया, भगवान का बांसुरी घूम गया, एंड पीपल भगवान है भगवान है. अरे बाबा, ऐसे भगवान नहीं दिखने वाले. ट्राइंग टू सी, मतलब एक मूढ़े की तरह तुम कोशिश कर रहे हो कि उसको भगवान को देख लें. भगवान ऐसा नहीं दिखने वाले हैं. और भगवान दिखते क्यों नहीं? बिकॉज भगवान खुद कह रहे हैं कि भाई मैं सबको नहीं दिखने वाला हूं. आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन. आई एम नॉट फ्रीली अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन. आई कवर माई सेल्फ. हम प्रकाश सर्वस्व, सब जगह में नहीं दिखूं, बट एक्चुअली ही इज एवरीवेयर. Lord said in the Bhagavad Gita, I am the taste in the water, I am the the fragrance of the earth, I am the pen. When you become a pen, when you become a surrendered devotee, only when you become a surrendered devotee. By the way, one thing I would like to ask, what is the difference between a surrendered devotee and a non-surrendered devotee? अगर हमने भगवान का शरणागत नहीं लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा? व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? भगवान ने कहीं बोला नहीं है भगवद गीता में तुम शरण लोगे तो ही मैं तुम्हारा भला करूंगा. तो जितने लोग, यू सी सो मेनी नाइस नास्तिक्स इन द वर्ल्ड, उन्होंने शरण नहीं लिया है, उनका जीवन बढ़िया चल रहा है, राइट? उनका लाइफ बढ़िया चल रहा है कि नहीं? एंड यू सी स्पेशली दोज हु डोंट डू वर्शिप, जो घर में दारू पी रहे हैं, घर में गलत काम कर रहे हैं, वो लोग उल्टा और फलते जा रहे हैं. They are flourishing more with more money, more what do you say, name, fame, power, whatever you call it, बढ़ रहा है. और हम लोग बेचारा ईमानदारी से not doing any nonsense, गलत काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, ईमानदारी से बैठे हैं, भक्ति कर रहे हैं, और अपना तो मतलब we are going down and down and down. So can anyone explain this? Why? That means what? What is the benefit of taking surrender? Agar non-surrendered people are benefiting and going up in life. Tell me. Yes, Prabhu, what do you think?
The non-surrendered people going up because of their past karma.
Very good.
Whereas surrendered people, Krishna is testing them.
Well, Krishna test. Okay, blood testing counter है क्या?
Where he wants to do the bhakti in all the circumstances.
Okay, fine. One perspective can be that. Something more someone would like to add?
Material people, they are growing materially but going down spiritually.
Okay, fine. Something more? Yes, Jigar Prabhu would like to add something? Yes, Nikita Mataji? Achha, you want to pass the ball to Priya? Haan. And after trying all that fails, then what he does? तो सीधा है भगवान के पास जाना। इतना मेहनत मजदूरी करके क्यों भगवान के पास जाना है? ठीक है, यू ट्राई, दैट इज योर डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग, यू ट्राई अ लॉट, बट आफ्टर ऑल द ट्राइंग, where do you land up? You don't land up anywhere, right? So Acharya say, for one who is surrendered to God, let's say you are prarabdha, you are, as per your past karmas, you are supposed to get 1000 crores, but you are surrendered. Lord says, no, if I give him 1000 crore, bigad jayega, he will get spoilt, or he will go away in a different path. Cut down 1 crore only. 999 crores loss है आपका, मालूम है? By surrendering you are making a loss of 999 crores. है नहीं, इमेजिन करने में ही आ जाता है। So then, do you think God is testing you? God is not. God is helping. God never tests, He only helps. And what you call as test is actually the way you mature. Are you testing your kids by not allowing to sleep or play or watch a video and make him do sums? You're not testing him. You are making him more smarter, more stronger, more intellectual, or whatever you call it. You are actually trying to bring up the child's level of intellect. You're not testing. This is said by many preachers, but I do not accept that. Why would God test? He is not a pathological laboratory sitting there to test your blood and kidney, liver and sugar. For that, you got already nice pathology labs over here. So, please understand this. So, your prarabdha may be so much, but you will get only this much. But then, what is Lord making sure? That you are under my custody. I will take care of you. मैं तुमको संभालूंगा. कोई भी विपत्ति आएगी तो हल्का सा आके चला जाएगा. कोई भी बड़ा विपत्ति, जैसे अभी इनका बेटे का पैर का हुआ, मेरी बेटी का भी हुआ, माइट भी अच्छा हुआ, कहीं ट्रेन में हो जाता, गिर के पैर कट जाता, उससे अच्छा कहीं अच्छे जगह पे हुआ, सस्ते में हुआ. ये प्रारब्ध है. यू कांट cut away your prarabdha, but definitely discount is given for a one who is taken shelter. जो भगवान का शरण ले लेता है उसके लिए भगवान का अनुग्रह और प्रोटेक्शन दोनों गारंटीड है. मर्सी एंड प्रोटेक्शन बोथ आर गारंटीड. देन व्हाट अबाउट दोज हु आर फ्लरिशिंग? दे आर लेफ्ट टू द लॉ ऑफ कर्मा. दे आर लेफ्ट एट द मर्सी ऑफ लॉ ऑफ कर्म. वे कर्म में उसके पैसे लिखे हैं, 2-2 बीबी लिखा है, 4-4 बीबी लिखा है, बच्चे हैं नहीं है, जो भी हो, एवरीथिंग इज नाउ एज पर लॉ ऑफ कर्मा. एंड वो जो कर रहा है उसका कार्मिक रिएक्शंस, वॉट एवर एक्शंस इज डूइंग, ही हैज टू फेस द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ द कार्मिक रिएक्शंस ऑल्सो. एंड ही इज नाउ नो लॉन्गर अंडर द प्रोटेक्शन और गाइडेंस ऑफ गॉड. So what is Sharanagati? Sharanagati is like taking an LIC policy. Somebody claim something of that sort, wherein you pay a premium. What is the premium you pay in devotion? It's not a premium. That's a privilege. That's a privilege. All the austerities, what you do now, tomorrow, Ekadashi, it's an austerity, right? You are hungry, you feel like eating, get headache, get acidity, but still you refrain from eating huge food. So that is austerity. This is the price you pay. I'm just giving one example. You give away your unwanted stuff, no drinking alcohol, no eating meat, no illicit sex, no gambling. In Kali Yuga, this is the biggest austerity. Because wherever you turn your eyes, in your group also you will see everyone is enjoying illicit sex. Everyone is having an extramarital affair. Everywhere there is people living in relations. What am I? I'm living like Mr. Zero. Now मैं दारू पी रहा हूँ. अच्छा, now when you leave all this, the society also stops involving you. आपको बुलाना बोल छोड़ देते, क्या फायदा है इस आदमी को बुला के, क्या फायदा? हाँ, सत्संग में जाता है, दारू नहीं पीता है, सिगरेट नहीं पीता है, नॉनवेज नहीं पीता है, छोड़ो यार. They don't even call you for marriages. I don't know about you, but I am not called for many marriages. Many, what do they call? Bachelor's party and all that. I'm not, even I don't know also. I'm not informed also. It's no use telling this person. It's a waste of time. They don't tell me also. Why? Because those people are only into enjoying their senses without any guidance, any proper guidance. They are only behind. So this is the advantages of being under taking the shelter of God. जब आप शेल्टर का, गॉड का, भगवान का शेल्टर आप ले लेते हो, तब सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या है? सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये है कि आपका प्रोटेक्शन का जिम्मा, आपका, व्हाट इज द वर्ड फॉर प्रोटेक्शन इन हिंदी? हाँ, कि रक्षा का जिम्मेदारी जो है वो भगवान टेक्स हो. यस, चाहे वो गजेंद्र हो, चाहे वो प्रहलाद हो, जो भी हो, आई विल प्रोटेक्ट यू एंड आई विल सी टू दैट यू विल गो बैक, रादर कम बैक टू मी. वैकुंठ में आप आ जाओगे. यू डोंट हैव टू रॉट अगेन इन दिस मिजरेबल वर्ल्ड. वापस जन्म लो, वापस ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल पढ़ाई करो, then search for a job, then search for a wife, break your head with that, then have kids, break your head with that also, and then finally, by the time you go old again, janma mrityu jara dukh dosha anudarshanam. भाई ये दुख का दोष क्यों है? दुख ये है कि बुढ़ापा, और it's a real problem for everyone, whether you are rich or you are poor, whether you are a male or a female, everyone has to undergo these problems. So that is why Lord is saying, हम प्रकाश सर्वस्य योगमाया समावृतम मूढ़ो ना अभिजानाति. मूढ़ो कभी मेरे को नहीं जानेंगे. क्यों जानना है? तो आपको उनका शरणागति करना होगा. See, information about God, everyone may get it in Google or on ChatGPT or on Wikipedia, whatever it is. You will get information about God. But realizing God in totality, completely, is only possible when you surrender. Till you do not surrender, God will not interfere in your life. Forget about protecting. He will not even guide you. He will not be in the consciousness also. He will never, he will never interfere with your free will. Your free will is yours. बाबा जो करना है, तो भागना है भाग, खाना है तो खा, पीना है तो पी, जो करना है कर. भक्ति करना तो वो भी कर, वो भी freedom. It is also part in the freedom. It is not outside the freedom. Even devotion is a part of your freedom. That's why in the next verse, in 2:6, he says, Vedam samtitani vartamani cha arjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mam tu vedana kaschina. What is Lord saying? Hey bhai, don't think why I am covering myself, because I know your Vedam samtitani past, Vedam samtitani vartamani cha arjuna, I know your present, bhutani bhutani, your future. All three I know. You will never know me. कश्चिना मतलब थोड़ा भी मुझे नहीं जानोगे, थोड़ा भी मुझे नहीं समझोगे आप. क्यों आप थोड़ा भी नहीं समझोगे, थोड़ा भी नहीं जानोगे? आप मेरा फ्यूचर, पास्ट प्रेजेंट जानते हो. So now that my future is fixed, मेरा शरणागति करके क्या फायदा होने वाला? What is the big deal? What is the big benefit? let's say at the age of 80 you're going to die. Everything is destined. Your destiny is already pre-known to God. And suppose you also find out, my destiny 85 mein maut hai, I have to die like a vegetable, no one to take care of me, and this and that. When every destiny is already planned, why should I surrender? Because Lord is saying, I know your present, I know your past, I know your future also. अब जो तू कर्म कर रहा है वो भी मैं जानता हूं, अब जो पहले जो कर्म किया है वो भी जानता हूं, एंड योर फ्यूचर ऑल्सो. तो तीनों
What path you are taking, right or wrong? If you are taking the right path, it will be a good future. If you are taking the wrong path, it will be a wrong future. Accordingly, that is if you want to do my bhakti, it's going to be this is one of your future.
okay.
That way it's
Okay, very good. Elaborate it a little more. Anyone else can elaborate it also, not a problem. You do bad also. हाँ, समझो तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. नहीं, अभी समझो आपको कल पता चला आपको 85 में मरना है और समझो बहुत दुख से मरना है, तो व्हाट कैन यू चेंज इन दैट? तो ठीक है, प्रारब्ध कर्म कटने से मतलब जानने से क्या होता है? What here Lord is saying, I am talking about your present, past and future. Oh Arjuna, as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, I know everything that has happened in the past, all that is happening in the present, and all things that are yet to come. I also know all living entities, but me, no one knows. No one knows me. I know each and every living entity. मैं सबको इंडिविजुअली जानता हूँ. You know, there's an individual CCTV camera for every being, right from an ant to an elephant to a human to a tree to a bird. Everyone's activity is monitored. Mr. C. Gupta is taking care of Chitragupta. He is keeping accounts. पूरा डेटा तो इनके पास, भगवान के पास पूरा डेटा है. Please understand one thing. He says, as per your past, you are behaving today. And as per your past karmas and as per your present karmas, your future is going to be, I know the result. Now, I may have slapped this boy. Now, if I slap this boy, there are two possibilities. Might be 10 births before this fellow slapped me. I am equating this by slapping him. Or I am creating a new karmic reaction by hitting him. You never know. Whereas Lord says, I know everything. So whatever problem you are suffering is because I know you are suffering because of your past karmas. That is why Lord is saying, Vedam samtitani, vartamani च अर्जुन, भविष्यानि च भूतानि, भविष्य भी जानता हूं. But with a tagline. What is the tagline? अब भविष्य मालूम है, मैंने बहुत पाप किए हैं, मान लिया, अब क्या? सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मामेकम त्वाम सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचा. भगवान बाद में बोल रहे हैं, भाई तेरे पाप, that is your future, can be changed. Future with shelter of Lord's feet, with your surrendered situation, you can change the future. You can't change your present, because the present is the result of your previous past. पहले जो भी कर्म किए उस हिसाब से you are in this world as might be a rich man, a poor man, a male, a female, you are anything. Whatever you are, why you are not Ambani? Why you're not, a rich man? Why you're a poor man? Why you're not extremely poor like a beggar? You're still richer than him. Why? Where is middle class? बोला था, it's a big segment. Everyone tries to fit in that. मैं 50,000, मैं 60,000, मैं 70,000 महीना कमाता हूँ, वो भी अंदर घुस. So 5 lakh to 12 lakh to 15 lakh, because when you see the higher segment, who is earning in crores a month, and I better shoot to the middle class segment. So wherever segment you are, what does this mean? Is this a result of your past karmas? So present can't be changed because past cannot be changed. Past is also past. आपने जो भी कर्म किया, अच्छा या बुरा जो भी किया, उसका आप फल भुगत रहे हो. So what about future? So what is to be changed? अच्छा, ऐसा भी आप past को change करके you can't do anything. You can't manipulate anything with the past. Present, I mean, all who are in their above 30s. I mean, there's no much. Your childhood is gone. My youth is gone. What am I left? I cannot change anything. And even by the time you get that realization, you are a big fool. You never realize that I have become mature. So what does happen? What is in that situation? What is best? Change the future. For that, changing the future, आपको करना है तो करो, नहीं करना है तो मत करो. The free will, no one has taken away your free will. The free will is very much with you. Whether you want to listen to your teacher or you don't want to listen to your teacher, the choice is in your hands. That is why he is saying, everyone knows, I know everything, but nobody knows me.